With the blessings of our Honorable Founder Chairman Dr. R.P. Malik Sir, under the guidance of respected Chairperson Dr. S.D. Malik Ma'am, following our great mentor Dr. Inder Malik Sir, and our driving force, the Director of the school, Dr. Mrs. Mahima Malik Ma'am, we welcome you all to the first ever virtual annual day of Class 3.
A very warm good morning to everyone. I feel really privileged to welcome you all with the blessings of our respected founder chairman Sir Dr. R.P. Malik and under the guidance of our respected chairperson ma'am Dr. S.D. Malik, we are going to present the first ever virtual annual day. Presentation of the skills and talents of our children are an integral part of schooling at LPIS under the guidance of our respected mentor Dr. Inder Malik Sir and our respected Director Ma'am Dr. Mahima Malik. We make sure to provide a platform to the children to showcase the same. This year too, in spite of unfavorable circumstances, we have made sure that all the children get in tune with the new normal to present a vibrant show. So let's together celebrate the enthusiasm and spirit of our talented children.
Good morning to one and all present here. It is my proud privilege to welcome you to the special assembly of grade 3. Firstly, I would like to take on welcome our managing director, Dr. Mrs. Mahima Malik ma'am. Always inspire us. Now, I would like to welcome our academic head, Mrs. Sunita Dhingra ma'am, who is the motivator and role model for the students. I would like to welcome our teachers who always work hard to give best future to their students. Last but not the least, I would welcome the pillar of our school, our dear parents who always grace the occasion. I am sure our love lines are full of joy to celebrate this momentous day.
So please hold your breath and be ready for invoking the blessings of God with soothing Ichha Purti mantra.
Now it's time to raise the curtain and showcase the talent of Class 3 Love Lights.
भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। परमेश्वर हे प्रभो निर्मल बुद्धि प्रदान करो, अवगुण सारे दूर करो, तेजवान गुणवान करो।
हे परमेश्वर हे प्रभु निर्मल बुद्धि प्रदान करो, अवगुण सारे दूर करो, तेजवान गुणवान करो।
तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात्।
तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः
गणपति मुझको रिद्धि दो, लंबोदर मुझको सिद्धि दो, विघ्न न आए काम में, शुभ और लाभ की वृद्धि दो।
हे गणपति मुझको रिद्धि दो, लंबोदर मुझको सिद्धि दो, विघ्न न आए काम में, शुभ और लाभ की वृद्धि दो।
सरस्वत्यै च विद्महे ब्रह्मपुत्रै धीमहि, तन्नो वाणी प्रचोदयात्।
सरस्वत्यै च विद्महे ब्रह्मपुत्रै धीमहि, तन्नो वाणी प्रचोदयात्।
सरस्वती माँ कृपा करो, विद्या दो और ज्ञान दो, करो परीक्षा में सफल, मुझे सुखद परिणाम दो।
सरस्वती माँ कृपा करो, विद्या दो और ज्ञान दो, करो परीक्षा में सफल, मुझे सुखद परिणाम दो। I would like to appreciate the performance of my co-fellows. After the soul teaching Gayatri Mantra, I hope you must have connected with silence within you. Prayer is a cure for a confused mind, a weary soul and a broken heart. Keeping this in mind, let's connect it with God through peaceful prayer, which is a way of life.
नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग, वो तो है तेरे दिल में, हाँ तू क्यों बाहर उसे ढूंढता। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग। कभी है वो साहिल पे, कभी है वो मौजों पे, कभी है परिंदा वो उड़ता हुआ, वो तो खुदा है, वो तो खुदा है, जीवन है राह है, उसको ना मज़हब में कैद करना। वो वफादार है, हाँ खुद ही प्यार है, साए में उसके सुकून कितना, दुनिया का नूर है, ना तुमसे दूर है, बाकी जिंदगी में वो है बसता। नूरे खुदा का है आसरा, वही तो है पनाह ये जहां उसका है। रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग, वो तो है तेरे दिल में, हाँ तू क्यों बाहर उसे ढूंढता। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग, वो तो है तेरे दिल में, हाँ तू क्यों बाहर उसे ढूंढता।
Atiti Devo Bhava means we consider our guest equal to God. Without welcoming you, the show will not fascinate you. So, ladies and The music is waiting to start. To see our welcome dance, I am sure you will enjoy.
भागो भागो आहो भागो भागो आहो आओ सोने की चिड़िया के देश में हम हैं फूलों के बेस में आओ सोने की चिड़िया के देश में हम हैं फूलों के बेस में तुम हो मेहमान हमारे तुम रोशन चांद सितारे ये मुखड़े प्यारे प्यारे आए दूर दूर से सारे जादू है तुम सबके फेस में
This year, e-learning has played a vital role and given all of us a new platform. With the combined efforts of teachers, parents and students, this year too was as successful as before. Let us all have a look at the annual report for the year 2020-21.
Saraswati Puja was held virtually to commence the academic session 2020-21.
It is observed on 7th April of 2020. Importance of this day discussed with teachers and students. Along students sang the song Heal the World.
To mark the celebration of Baisakhi, students participate in virtual dance event.
On 22nd April 2020, Earth Day was celebrated. Students showcased their creative skills by participating poster making activity.
On 23rd April 2020, World Books Day was observed. Students made bookmarks and shared their views on importance of books.
To teach children value are helpers. Labor Day was celebrated on 1st May 2020. The aim of the activity was to enhance social skills via paying gratitude to the helpers.
Laughter Day. Laughter is the best medicine. It is one of the best ways to relieve stress. The children practiced laughter exercises on Laughter Day, which was observed on 5th May 2020. Teachers also shared laughter exercises, videos with children.
God cannot be everywhere, and that's why He created mother. Children express love for their mother by taking part in many activities based on Mother's Day, which is celebrated on 10th May of 2020.
It was observed on 5th June 2020. Various activities like leaf printing, nursery to kg, paper bag making, 1st to 2nd and cardboard box book holder, 3rd to 5th were organized.
International Yoga Day. It was observed on 21st June 2020. The benefits of yoga are known to everyone, and therefore all the students, along with their parents, enthusiastically practiced many yogasanas.
Father's Day. It was observed on 21st June 2010. All children expressed their love for their fathers via taking part in different activities.
Guru Purnima. Guru is the one who directs us to lead righteous life. He is the one who enlightened our mind with wisdom and knowledge. By celebrating Guru Purnima on 2nd July 2020, children showed gratitude to their gurus. Children recited Guru mantras and also by shared views on importance of gurus in our lives.
Forgiveness Day to err is human and to forgive divine. To make children understand how forgiving and forgetting can keep them at peace and nurture their relations in a positive way. Forgiveness Day was observed on 7 July 2020.
World Population Day. World Population Day was observed on 26 July 2020. Teachers discussed importance of this day with the students during Zoom classes.
Interbranch English Fest to highlight the importance of English language in different walks of life. English Fest was held on 23rd July 2020. Children confidently displayed their English speaking and writing skill by participating enthusiastically. Class 3rd, first position Viraj Malik. Class 4th, Jai Trehan consolation prize. 5th class, Naisa Agarwal, second position.
Friendship Day. To celebrate the bond of friendship, the children celebrated Friendship Day by making friendship bands on Friendship Day, 2nd August 2020.
This time, the children participated virtually in Janmashtami by sharing dance videos and dressing up as little Krishna and Radha. Satyam Shivam Mandir also witnessed these celebrations by following COVID-19 related norms.
Teachers Day. A teacher plants seeds of knowledge that grows for everyone. Teachers Day is celebrated via Zoom this year. Students make beautiful cards for their teachers and also recited poems for them. To celebrate daughters as the most precious blessing of God, Daughters Day was celebrated with full enthusiasm. Parents participated in various activities to shower their love and care for daughters.
Interbranch Science Fest. Interbranch Science Fest was held on 27th October 2020. The budding scientists participated with great energy and showcased their talent. Kanishka Dungarwal of class 3 got first position and Leher and Avneet Kaur of class 4 and 5 bagged third position in this competition.
World Student Day. The birthday of Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was celebrated with full enthusiasm. Teachers discussed about the life of the missile man and paid tribute to his unmatched contribution in the field of science and technology.
The Festival of Lights filled new hope and happiness in our life. Diwali Pujan was done in school premises, following social distancing and various activities like diya decoration, rangoli making, bandan card making, etc. were conducted during Zoom classes.
Poetry recitation competition was held to strengthen parents and child bonding. Parents participated with full enthusiasm by reciting the poems enthusiastically on 12th December 2020 in a Zoom meeting.
Athletic meet to keep the children active and involved in physical exercise. Athletic meet was organized by BCS on 19 December 2020. Children showed active participation and got so many prizes in Baptist Convent School competitions.
examination was conducted on 19th December 2020 via Zoom, where students and their family members participated in it and delighted everyone by waving stories on the topics given on the spot. Everyone by waving stories on the topics given on the spot.
Hard work never goes unrewarded. Now it's time to appreciate and acknowledge the efforts of all even graders for the year 2019-20.
Adorable Apeksha, sophisticated Shivansh, responsible Rajat, passionate Pranjal, marvelous Manvik, diligent Dilisha, polite Pratik, majestic Mishti. Congratulations to all the rank holders.
Vibrant Viraj, dedicated Dhruv, kind-hearted Kavya, adorable Akshara, mind-blowing Manasvi. Congratulations all the rank holders.
Magical Madhav, well deserved. Amicable Arav, well done. Talented Tanishka, great efforts. Radiant Rishika, awesome performance. Youthful Yashika, great performance. Kind Kashvi, excellent job. Affectionate Avika, congratulations. Amazing. Adorable Aditya, good job. Ambitious Atharv, truly deserved. All the A1 graders will get their trophies once the school will reopen.
Our Honorable Chairperson, Dr. S.D. Malik Ma'am, always emphasize on the fact that parents, teachers are like God, who work hand in hand for the all-round development of a child. So, let's witness parents' perspective.
Good morning, everyone, respected teachers, all the parents, and all the dear students. A very warm welcome in the assembly of 2021. As we all know that the year 2020 was a year of pandemic COVID-19, which was a very challenging year for everyone. It was 6th March 2020 when the government of Delhi decided to close all the schools. Now, that was a very surprising moment for everyone. Nobody knew what is going to happen in future. It was the time of facing the challenge. And the real hero is the person who faced the challenges and overcome the obstacles. Now, the question was that how would the students and the teachers would work smoothly? And for this, a well planning was done by the help of smartphones, computers, laptops, etc. It is the world of digitalization. All the virtual Zoom classes were conducted in a very beautiful manner. All the activities and even the competitions were conducted very nicely. Even all the exams were also conducted very smoothly. All the teachers have given their best in doing their best efforts. We are very much thankful to all the teachers for making these classes more and more fruitful. Really, a great job is done by all the teachers. We are very much thankful to the teachers and the academic head also for their sincere efforts. Really, they all are very excellent. Excellence is not an accident. It is a result of high intention, intelligent direction, skillful execution, and sincere efforts. These were the words of our founder, chairman, Dr. R.P. Malik sir. And all these things can be seen right here now in all the teachers and also the academic head. In spite of going to schools, all the students got knowledge from their teachers. They got blessings from their teachers, and it was really a very valuable time for them. Really, we are thank you very much for your cooperation, your sincerity, your honesty, your disciplined work, your regularity, punctuality, and thank you very much for making this pandemic year a successful year. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to express my views in front of you all. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, myself Sonu Swami, mother of Apeksha Swami and Divyan Swami. My both children are studying in Lovely Public International School, Krishnanagar branch. No doubt this is a very good school at both academics and non-academics. Teachers of the school are very friendly, cooperative, supportive and knowledgeable. But if we talk about the present scenario where the 90% of the students are out of their classroom because of this pandemic COVID-19, still this school perfectly managed to continue the study through digital platform. Online classes are being conducted and teachers of the school clarify every student's doubt in Zoom room. Different sort of activities, competitions and quizzes are held at inter-school level time to time. Both parents and students enjoyed all the activities simultaneously. At last, I would like to say thanks to the teachers and in charge ma'am of Lovely Public International School. I appreciate their sincere efforts in this session. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I Rupali Jain, mother of Arjav Jain, who is studying in class 3rd C of your school, would like to appreciate the efforts taken by the teachers and management of the school to start giving online classes at this difficult time of lockdown. We all know it's not possible for children to attend the classes at this time, which could result in loss of their studies. But I am really happy by the steps taken by your school to continue providing online classes so that even in this time children can still learn new things and their time is not completely wasted. Even my son is taking a lot of interest in assignments given by you and putting a lot of efforts to complete it. I would like to mention that the teachers and management are taking keen interest to take out the multiple intelligence of each child. It is indeed a very enlightening experience for the kids, taking in consideration that it is so to educate the kids to so extra measures were taken to make it more easy and simple for them to understand and learn. So thank you for the efforts taken by you in encouraging children to learn new things even while staying at home and taking measures for their bright futures. Thank you.
Colors are very important in our lives. Let's see the love lines depicting the role of colors.
Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors. Let's learn the colors. Hello everyone. Today we are going to tell about colors. Colors is a power which influences the soul. Colors are the smile of the nature and sometimes all you need is a little splash of colors. Let's know about primary color. Primary colors are red, yellow and blue and they cannot made by mixing any color. These are basic color. Red color symbolizes love, energy, anger and passion. Yellow color symbolizes cheer, attention, warmth and optimism. Blue color symbolizes trust, faith, calmness, power.
Colors, oh, colors. Hey, look at the colors you can see. Primary colors, there are 3. Red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue. Oh, red, yellow, and blue are primary.
Now we will talk about secondary colors. Secondary colors are green, orange and purple. Orange color symbolizes happiness, success, confidence and courage. Green color symbolizes
life, nature, well-being, and eco-friendly. Purple color symbolizes royalty, luxury, ambition, and creativity.
Secondary colors are made by mixing two primary colors like red plus yellow equal to orange, yellow plus blue equal to green, blue plus red equal to purple.
When you mix red and yellow, you get orange. When you mix yellow and blue, you get green. And when you mix blue and red, when you mix blue and red, when you mix blue and red, you get purple. Colors, oh, colors. Now look at the new colors you can see. Secondary colors, there are three: orange, green, and purple. Orange, green, and purple. Orange, green, and purple are secondary.
This is all about primary and secondary colors. Hope all of you enjoy the world of colors. Thank you.
Now, it's time to showcase the talent of our young love lives who are going to depict how we dealt with the lockdown situation during COVID-19.
Welcome to Special News Bulletin. Today, I am going to cover some special news about COVID-19. As we all know that COVID-19 is spreading all over the world like a pandemic. To minimize the spread of coronavirus, the government has declared complete lockdown.
Let's have a glimpse on the life of different people during lockdown. This lockdown is the first experience when I have to stay at home for a long period. Usually in the month of April our new session begins, but this time I am not going to school. I am taking a virtual classes at home.
I am playing indoor games like Ludo and Carrom instead of going out.
Planting trees. Doing art and craft work in my leisure time. Helping my mom in household work.
A mother is real blessing of God. A mother is a real guide and a best friend.
Now, let's see the life of mothers during lockdown.
रोना कभी नहीं रोना, चाहे अच्छा टाइम हो चाहे कोरोना. Dear friends, our Indian value system teaches us to stand strong in challenging situations.
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट, खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट, मंजिल को चली सवारी, कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी. हाथ में फाइल मन में दम, मीलों मील चलेंगे हम, हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे, टस से मस ना होंगे हम. दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो. दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो.
We used to cook food and perform other household work earlier also, but now we have time to sit with our family members and eat with them. Children are also helping me in trying innovative food recipes. I am enjoying my lockdown period.
Now let's see how Father Dad is spending their lockdown time.
During this pandemic, I am working from home. I am spending my time with my children and family members.
In spite of all up and downs, we should always look at the positive aspect. बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे. होगी फिर सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
जय 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 हो जय 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 जय। फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई, फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियां, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
Showing gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful thing humans can do for each other.
Now, let's see the contribution of Corona Warriors.
It's time to pay gratitude to our Corona warriors, as they are our superheroes. India salutes to them.
मुश्किल कितनी भी गहरी हो, डरना हमें जचा नहीं, डर के आगे घुटने टेके ऐसे मरना जचा नहीं, आंधी हो या तूफान हो, चलना अपना मकसद है, गहरा हो कितना अंधेरा हमें ठहरना जचा नहीं, देश पर जब भी संकट के बादल गिरते हैं, देश के जवान एक सुरक्षा ढाल बनकर हर आपदा के सामने खड़े हो जाते हैं। ये शूरवीर कोविड-19 के खिलाफ जंग में अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर भी अपना कर्तव्य पालन कर रहे हैं।
Our brave soldiers and policemen are on their toes 24/7 as their role during this pandemic has increased beyond limits. Let us see what this brave police officer has to say.
It is my humble request to all the citizens to stay home in order to stay safe and to stop spreading this virus. India will surely fight back with your cooperation and support.
India Corona Warriors are battling frontline against coronavirus. Doctors, nurses, policemen across the state are working tirelessly to combat the diseases. They actually are the superhero.
Let us see the contribution of our medical staff who are working tirelessly for us.
Being a doctor working in 48 hours shift in high-risk environment is not just all for me. I am treating those patients for free who lost their jobs during this pandemic.
I am Sister Kashri. It is very difficult time. I would like to advise you to wash your hands regularly. Eat healthy food. Wearing a mask is must. Always remember that prevention is better than cure.
And I am a nurse. I am on duty for 12 hours continuously. I have to wear safety kit suit as I am posted in the isolation room. We have to replace ourselves by the other person, even if we have to drink water or go to the washroom.
There is huge responsibility on our shoulders. We have to take extra precautions. Our thermometer and stethoscope are our weapons against COVID-19 fight.
NDTV News, welcome you all. Let's see what our Honorable Prime Minister had to say on this pandemic. मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, मैं आपसे निवेदन करता हूँ कि जब तक दवाई नहीं, तब तक इलाज नहीं. In this difficult COVID time, doctors and nurses and these corona warriors are just like us. It is our duty to respect them, honor them, good wishes to their selfless services and contribution to humanity. Many people are working tirelessly for better tomorrow. We want to thank those who ensure essential food and essential supplies.
Dear Mr. Parcel ma'am, thank you so much for the kind service in this difficult time. It is my duty to work humanity. You just stay safe. Thank you. अब घर पर रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, है ना?
Didi, why are you going for the terrace with great and spoon?
We are going to pay gratitude to our Corona warriors as they are our real heroes. They are serving humanity in true sense.
I will order a complaint.
Why not? Sure.
Okay.
समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम. ममता का तू है दूजाना. समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम. आपदा से ये रण तू है लड़ रहा. मौत का बढ़ रहा कारवां. तेरे हाथों से ही जग का आशीष है. तेरा जीवन तेरा ना रहा. इस पथ पर चले ना रुके ना डरे. विश्व तेरा ऋणी हो गया. सूरज की तरह तू अखंडित रहा. तेरा जीवन ही है प्रेरणा. समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम. समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम. ममता का तू है दूजाना. समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम.
India will become self-reliant and will surely go vocal for local. Let's have a nukkad natak with this theme.
Go vocal for local. Go vocal for local. Go vocal for vocal for go vocal for go vocal for local. 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 Go vocal for local.
Time to express ourselves. Time to prove something new. Let's go for vocal for local as it's time to express our views. Vocal का जमाना है, वादा है लोकल को सामने लाना. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the mindset of free India should be vocal for local, achieve the goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
All Indians not only use domestically made products but also we promote them.
We need to create products and Services that are made in India and made for India and also made for the world.
रबड़ी को बदले अरबी को यूज करें, इससे हमारा चेहरा चमकेगा और देश भी। हमारा छोटा सा प्रयास हमारे देश को आत्मनिर्भर बना सकता है, इसलिए सब देसी प्रोडक्ट यूज करें। लक्स और पियर्स को हटाना है, हिमालय और ओमान को अपनाना है और विदेशी मैल हटाना है। It's time to change our pattern. Try the Indian app like Bolo India instead of TikTok, Camera Plus instead of YouTube Plus, Indian Air Force instead of PUBG, and so on. Thank you.
इक्कीसवीं सदी का भारत हमको बुनना है, 21वीं सदी का भारत हमको बुनना है। लोकल को वोकल करना है, लोकल को वोकल करना है, लोकल को वोकल करना है। आत्मनिर्भर बनके हमको आगे बढ़ना है, देखे हुए हर सपने को साकार करना है।
आत्मनिर्भर बनके हमको आगे बढ़ना है, देखे हुए हर सपने को साकार करना है।
संकल्प शक्ति से, संकल्प शक्ति से नया भारत बुनना है, संकल्प शक्ति से नया भारत बुनना है। लोकल को वोकल करना है, लोकल को वोकल करना है, लोकल को वोकल करना है। है नया संकेत यारो संदेश नया है, कैसे भी हो आपदा अवसर में बदलना है।
नया संकेत यारो संदेश नया है, कैसे भी हो आपदा अवसर में बदलना है।
नूतन प्राण से ही, नूतन प्राण से ही नया भारत बुनना है।
It was indeed a very rocking digital performance. Now I will take this opportunity to thank respected chairperson Dr. Mrs. S.D. Malik ma'am for guiding us to explore and adopt new ways to enhance the personality of our children. And I will also like to thank our mentor, respected Dr. Indra Malik sir, for his exemplary mentorship and motivation. My heartfelt gratitude to our director, Dr. Mahima ma'am, for her all-time guidance and support. My special thanks to all the wonderful and cooperative parents for their active and enthusiastic involvement in making this event a success. With teamwork, everything is possible, and I thank my entire team for putting their best foot forward and training and guiding children to give their best. Wishing you all a luck for your future endeavors. I hope you all have enjoyed the program. Stay safe, stay home, and I hope that we will meet you soon in the school.